Solution for question number 1. So question number 1 is basically from chapter 2. Okay, the question is, a projectile is launched at point O, so we have point O here, at an angle 32 degree with horizontal. And it is thrown with an initial velocity of 15 meter per second, and as shown in figure 2 below. When the projectile reaches point M, so we have point M, it is 2.62 meter from the ground. So basically, this is the height of your projectile at point M. So it's 2.62 meter. Okay, so the first question is find the time it takes to reach point M. For this question, we are applying equation for projectile motion that contains t in that equation. So the possible equation here is we want to find time, and we have the information of Sy. So we use Sy is equal to ut minus half gt squared. Okay, so our Sy at point M is 2.62, and this is our Us, this is our Uy. So you need to resolve and you have to find the component of Uy here because we need Uy here. Okay, so let us substitute all the values. 2.62, Uy is U15 sine 32 degree times t minus half 9.81 t squared. Okay, so using your calculator, you are having a quadratic equation here. Okay, using your calculator, so finally you'll get two values of t. So your first t is going to be 0.46 and another t is 1.16. Okay, for this question we only have one answer, so the answer is supposed to be 1.16. So why not 0.46? Because 0.46 is the time taken when it is on the way up. So this is the time taken you have for the height of 2.62. So basically this is your T1. This is your T1 here, and this is your T2. So we want to get our T2, not T1, okay, at the height of 2.62 at point M. So that's why we choose 1.16 as the answer, because it is the time on the way down. The second question, we want to get the horizontal distance. So basically we want to get Sx. So the equation for Sx is equal to Uxt. Okay, the horizontal distance to reach point M. So we are going to apply the time taken that we have got in the previous question. So our Ux is equal to U15 cos 32 times 1.16. So your answer is supposed to be 14.76 meter.